Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and recently I've been watching a K-drama called It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and I am obsessed with the makeup look the main female lead or Yeong wears. So today I'm doing a look inspired by her, and I've already done my foundation, so we're just doing the eyeshadow, and let's get into this. First, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to prime my eyelids before I go in with the eyeshadow. And I'm just blending that out with this beauty sponge that I bought from Mr. Price. It's not bad. I've been using it for months now. For this video, I'll be using the Beauty Glaze Reversal Planet eyeshadow palette. And I'm starting off with this light orange color. And I'm just blending that above my crease and kind of tapering out the edges. We don't want rounded edges at the corner of the eyelid. And luckily I have this color switch because we know all of my makeup brushes are hella dirty. Now once my brush is clean, I'm going into this darker orange color called Garnet. And I'm putting that in the crease. And just again work on that tapered outer corner of the eye and be careful not to make it round. Next I'm going in with a light warm brown, and this is in the shade Sand. And I'm packing that on the lid. Now at this point I was really questioning whether these three colors were any different, because tell me that doesn't look like I'm using one color all over my eyelid. But anyway, trust the process. That's what I told myself. Next I'm going into a warm red toned brown, and I'm going to use that to kind of smoke out my lower lash line. But then I realized I didn't use my color switch to clean the brush, and it still had all of that orange on it. And that's why my under eye was just coming out orange. But anyway. And next I'm taking a flat angled brush and I'm going into a dark cool toned brown, and I'm drawing a little wing. And yes, this is the same color brown eyeshadow that I used to fill in my eyebrows. And honestly, this is when I started questioning this makeup look, and I was just asking myself, did I make the right choice? I don't know. Then I was just like, you know what, let's just see how this plays out. So I just went ahead and did the other eye, and it didn't come out as bad as I thought it would. Next I'm taking this gorgeous pink glitter liner that I purchased from a random Chinese shop. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very see-through, so it's perfect to just apply a light shimmer over your eyes. I have not gotten any eye infection using this product. I highly recommend. And I'm just lining that on my lower lash line, and you can use as much or as little glitter as you want depending on how dramatic you want the look to be. I'm just using a little bit. And this is when things started to go wrong. Now I took this iridescent silk topper and decided to just put that in the center of my eyelid, and you can see I'm debating whether or not I should do it. I'm like, should I? Shouldn't I? And then I just did it. Man, why did I do it? I didn't have to do it. I could have left the look alone. It would have been fine. But I did it, and then I realized, I really shouldn't have done it. And then I'm just like trying to fix this thing. But it was too late because I couldn't remove this makeup. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. Then I'm just highlighting my inner corners with a orange shimmer shade. And that's it. I was not going to do anything else with this makeup look. I had done enough damage already. And you can just see me regretting my decision greatly as I was blowing this lash glue. I was just like, I really messed this up, didn't I? I wonder if lashes and mascara can fix this mess. And that's it. That's the final look. That mascara and those eyelashes came through, because it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all, I must say. It was quite a vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.